Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial on how to fix the issue of Instagram Reels copy link option not showing up. If you have been having trouble copying the link to an Instagram Reel and the option seems to be missing, you have come to the right place. In this video we will go through the easy step that you can follow to resolve this problem and start sharing your favorite reels with your friends and followers. So let's get started. First of all, if the link is not showing up here, let's suppose I am tapping on these three dots and here you can see there is not copy link option. Now see the share button. So here I am tapping on this and here you can see you can send it to your friend one by one, but you cannot see the copy link option. But if you see at the bottom, you will see the copy link option. So that is the option, and here you can copy your favorite reel and share it anywhere on Facebook or any other social media. And you can also, from another option, tap on the three dots on the top of the video, the right side, and then tap on we are moving things around, this option, and here you can see copy link option at the bottom, and you can also copy link it from here. Now if you tap on share button and here you can see copy option, tap on this. With this you can copy the link. So hope all these steps will help you and you enjoy this video. Thanks.